into his skull.
You feel better, do you? Look at you, you feel better? Do you feel better?
He's a horny goat.
He feels better.
He was supposed to have been. He was supposed to have been cut as a baby. His horns were supposed to have been set so they would not grow as a baby. He's not.
Nothing for you, dude.
He's a miniature goat, but he's probably got billy goat.
I got nothing for you.
Some billy goat in him. You can see his nice little beard.
Come on, get up. Come on, get up. Come on, get up. Up. I got nothing for you. What?
He can't stand up now because he's got his rope. Back him up, babe.
At the end of your rope.
We'll come this way.
Well, I don't want him jumping on me. I don't know what he's doing.
Yeah.
I think he's getting to be a horny goat.
He's a horny goat.
So he's making that pant noise.
That's Atticus. What do you got? Doing that stand up like you're gonna headbutt.
Okay, go for your stuff, 'cause I can't do that, dude.
He's not as he's not as cuddly as Poe is. But at least he's coming. Coming to you. Alright. Hey, alright. One more time.
You feel better, don't ya? Do you feel better? Get your foot out of my boobs. Do you feel better? Hey, not my shirt, not my shirt. You feel better? Because that's not hitting in your head, huh? He feels better. He feels better. He says, I ain't got a headache no more.